Hello, this is Richard with SoCal Warehouses, and you are on a special tour of our latest listing. We are in the city of Paramount, and we are in a 5,000 square foot industrial building. This is a freestanding building, so this is highly in demand because of the parking that it allows for, not having to share with any other tenants. We are listed at $1.75 industrial gross. And a couple unique features of this property. As you see, we have a high ceiling. This is a 16-foot height clearance, which is attracting a lot of distribution companies, not only because of the 710 corridor, but also because of the racking system that could be deployed here. Along with that, we have 1,200 amps of power, 480 volt. Heavy power here, which is attracting a lot of manufacturing companies because of the power supply that their machines need. With that being said, if you're looking to buy, sell, or lease a warehouse, I'm your guy. Do not hesitate to reach out. I look forward to connecting with you, and I'll see you on the call.